Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video I'm going to show you a new feature in version 10 within Eclipse Vox. In Eclipse Vox version 10, the speech text dictionary now supports complex constructions, and this means that you can feed, drag, and context for all of your complex dictionary entries. These entries are usually briefs that perform multiple functions at the same time, such as inserting paragraphs, words, and punctuation all together with a single utterance. You can now add entries to the speech text dictionary so that Eclipse can better interpret these complex entries. I've opened a file that I've pre-prepared, and this file has been edited and is ready to be processed. Within this document, there are several instances where I use briefs to perform multiple actions. The first is here, where I use the brief quame to insert a question and the phrase, "What is your name?" Here you see another brief for khaki for inserting an answer, yes, and then also the question. Again, another instance of that brief. Here you see that I use the brief kakano to insert an answer, the word no, a comma, the words "I did not," followed by a question. And again, I have more instances of answer okay question, answer yes question. Here you see another entry where I have question okay period. All of these entries are loaded into my dictionary, and if I open my main dictionary, you see that here I have all 5 of those briefs that I pointed out within that job. In order for these briefs to be properly recognized when the file is exported to raw text for processing, I'm going to add similar entries into my speech text dictionary. I'm going to close my file. I'll open my speech text dictionary. And within this dictionary, I've already added 4 of the 5 entries. I'm going to tile my screen so that you can see both dictionaries at the same time. On the right, you see my main dictionary with all 5 of those entries. On the left is my speech text dictionary. I'm going to filter the speech text dictionary to show me only the complex construction entries that I've already entered. I'll press F5, and I'm going to search for an exclamation mark. I'll press OK. And you see that in the speech text dictionary, I have matching entries for 4 out of 5 of these briefs. I'm going to add 1 more of these. This last entry for kawa, answer okay question, has not yet been added to the speech text dictionary. So I'm going to select the speech text dictionary. I'll press Ctrl D as in dictionary. I'm going to enter the matching voice steno, which is KAWHA, and press OK. And next, it's going to ask me for a definition. First, I'm going to signify to Eclipse that this is a complex construction by beginning the entry with an exclamation mark. Next, without typing any spaces, I'm going to enter my voice steno that will represent the corresponding entry in my dictionary. So instead of typing open curly bracket, capital A, close curly bracket, I'm going to type cac, because that's my voice steno to utter an answer. Now I'm going to enter a space and the word okay. Next, I'll enter another space to signify I am moving on to another utterance. And I'm going to enter keek, which is my utterance for question. Now you see that for every entry I have in my main dictionary that represents a complex brief, I've now made an entry in my speech text dictionary that also represents that complex brief. And what this is going to do is tell Eclipse that when a file is exported to raw text for processing, when it sees cac, okay, pirco, it's going to instead replace that series of voice steno with kakapo. And again, if it sees keek, what is your name? It's going to replace that series of voice steno in the exported ASCII file with quame. And the same is going to be true for each of these entries that I've created. Now that those entries have been saved, I can reopen the file, go to File, Export, And I'm going to choose raw text ASCII, and I'm going to save this file into my speech text processing files folder. And this is where I save the files that I want to use to process in Dragon. I'm going to change the name to Complex Constructions, and I'll press OK. I'm going to select the appropriate paragraph types to export, and I'll press OK once more. And now the file has been created. And if I open the complex construction text file that I exported using the raw ASCII format, you see that throughout this document we'll be able to find those brief forms. You see quame, khaki, kakano, kawa, and kakapo. All of these words are present everywhere that they should be within the raw text file. And now you're ready to use this file for speech text processing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this new ability to export complex constructions for speech text processing is going to help you improve your voice model even faster. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.